In today's lab, it's the second part of Lab 3 on static electricity. And there's approximately 10 parts to it. What we're going to do is show how static electricity forms. One of the first things we're going to do is I've hung two balloons side by side. And if you look down there, you'll see them side by side, two balloons. Now, I'm going to rub them with fur and allow them to hang freely and see what happens. I have a fur rag, which I'm going to rub on this one and then rub on this one, and see, as you can see, they're pushing each other apart. They're repelling each other. Okay, then we're going to rub at this black rod, rub it with fur, and we're going to rub one of the balloons with fur, and we're going to see what happens when I put the rod next to the balloon. Again, it should be repelling it. Let's see if we can do a little bit better job. Rubbing it. And then rubbing this, and you can see it pushed away.
Yeah, that was better.
Okay. Then we're going to rub it with fur, and we're going to get a glass rod and rub it with silk. So I'm rubbing the glass rod with silk, and we're rubbing the balloon with fur. We're going to see what happens. Here's an attraction. So it's pulling it towards it. Then I'm going to take one of these balls off the hanger, or one of these balloons off the hanger. I'm going to rub it with fur. And then I'm going to see if it sticks up against the wall. In this case, it's not. Let's see if I do wallboard. Well, it's not. And one of the things you're going to learn about wallboard is sometimes it's positive and sometimes it's negative. In number 5, we're going to take the balloon, one of the balloons, and we're going to rub it with fur, and we're going to hold it above confetti and see what happens to the confetti. It's attracted. It's attracted.
You don't want more. I just see it. Okay. Can you do it again?
Yeah, I'm doing it again. It's attracted to the confetti. Now, one of the questions is going to be, if you wait 5 minutes, will it still be attracted? And the answer is no. In number 8, again, we're rubbing the balloon with fur, and we're going to turn on a small stream of water and see what happens to the water. You can see it's bending it. It's bending it. So it's repelling the water. See if I can make it a little more clear.
I need to be closer.
It is repelling it just a little bit. And then our final exercise has to do with bubbles. And we're going to, number 9, rub the rubber rod with fur, blow bubbles into the air, and then put the see the reaction between the rubber rod and the bubbles. So we're rubbing the rubber rod with fur. Take these balloons. And it's pulling it towards it and breaking it.
Want to try it one more time, just for
We'll try it one more time.
just curious. Good. Okay, there you go.
Rubber rod. It draws
Draws
it
it
to
to
it
it.
and then bursts it.
Okay, very good.
Okay.